Tenerife is a surfer's paradise, and in this video we will be talking about the Tenerife surfing community, the surf spots, kite surfing, windsurfing, and the best surf schools. Interested? Then keep watching. Some people may only want to try surfing once during their vacation in Tenerife, but for others, their entire vacation revolves around this. There is a big surfing community in the south of Tenerife, and it is nice to get in touch with other surfers. Besides the many surf schools, there are also many surf hostels, hotels, and bars, which you can find on this page. On this same page, you can find a map with some of the most popular surf spots in Tenerife, with some explanations of how to get there and what to expect. As you can see from the map, Tenerife's surf spots are somewhat scattered through the island. Now, it's important to know that in El Médano, it's mainly kite surfing, windsurfing, and wing foiling. Not much surfing going on in El Médano, although from time to time, it can get good for beginners. This place is close to the airport south and is known for having good wind conditions all year round. That is why all the kite surfing, windsurfing, and wing foiling beginner lessons take place in El Médano. Las Americas is the most touristic part of the island, and it's also where you can find most of the popular surf spots. It also happens to be where you can find all the shops and bars. It's a really fun place to be. There's always something going on, especially afternoons and nights. Although there is almost always good waves, it's not the easiest place to learn. Some spots are for more advanced surfers. Therefore, we advise to book a surf lesson so the instructor can tell you the rules, which are very important so you don't get in the way of the locals, and of course, so that you're aware of the possible dangers of the surf spot. How does a surf lesson in Tenerife work? During the basic surf lesson, an instructor usually begins with a brief introduction about surfing, including equipment and basic techniques. For example, he would discuss the different types of surfboards and safety rules. The instructor then demonstrates the proper technique for paddling to the waves, standing on the board, and conquering the wave. Those who book a surf lesson are then given the opportunity to practice these skills in shallow water or on the beach before venturing into the deep water. In general, a surf lesson in Tenerife or anywhere else is designed to provide students with a fun and safety introduction to surfing, while also developing the skills and confidence they need to continue surfing on their own. Follow the following 2 tips to ensure that you booked Tenerife surf lesson will be great. Book your surf lesson early in your vacation. If the date is not convenient due to weather conditions, there is still time for the surf school to contact you and reschedule your surf lesson. When booking, please choose the option of when conditions are best. We will then choose the best surf time for you depending on the weather conditions. Normally, just one Tenerife surf lesson is perfect to get an impression of the sport. An extensive Tenerife surf course is therefore not necessary, but if you still want to surf more, you can choose to hire surfing material from the same surf school. In addition, you can also choose to book an additional advanced lesson after your first Tenerife surf experience. This was our video about surfing in Tenerife. And if you have any good tips for your fellow surfers, leave them on the comments. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Club Canary, legendary, your journey starts with us.